Welcome to Cabbage. Today I will show how can add YouTube video to my website automatically. Here many people want to show their YouTube video in WordPress website dynamically or automatically. It actually automatically show YouTube video in my website whenever I upload a video to my YouTube channel. Here you have not to upload or add that video manually after uploading to YouTube channel. When you upload your video to YouTube, it automatically shows that video in your website. Today I will show how can we do that. I use one WordPress plugin named Automatic YouTube Gallery. Using this plugin, you can create responsive, modern and dynamic video galleries by simply adding a YouTube username, channel, playlist, search term or a custom list of video URL. The best advantage of this plugin is that it can be used by deploying shortcuts. Okay, install this plugin and activate. Allow WordPress all permission by clicking allow and continue. Here we can see that it needs YouTube API key. It is very simple to get YouTube API for free. You can also read plugin user guide for understanding all functionality. Okay, let's go to create a new API key. Go to the link. I will give the link description box. Check it and click the link. Here we can see I had a created project. If you have not any project, simply create a new project. Name it. In my case, I named it Website YouTube API. It's creating the new project. We can see we successfully created the new project. Now click Library and search for YouTube Data API v3. You can see it already appear. Click YouTube Data API v3. Then click Enable and enable it. It successfully enabled YouTube Data API v3. Then click Credentials and create new credentials. Select API, then you have to click Restrict key. Scroll down and click Restrict key and select YouTube Data API v3. Click Save button to save this API. We can see we successfully created API key. Copy the API key and go to WordPress dashboard. Paste it and click Proceed. Now we are in Automatic YouTube Gallery plugin. Here we can see many settings. You can change all settings as your own. Just read all the fields and make it customized. In General Options, I select YouTube channel and paste your YouTube URL. I want to show video on page load. You can change it. Here you can change gallery options. I want column 3 and video per page 6. I don't want video title. I don't want video description and pagination also. In player options, I don't want video description. After setting up all the things, click on Generate Shortcode. It will give me a shortcode. Select all and copy it. Paste it to Elementor shortcode. After saving the changes, refresh the page. Here we can see an error. The error because my channel haven't any video yet. Let's check by uploading a video. After publishing my video, let's check by refreshing the page. Here we can see that it automatically added my new video to my website. In this way, and by using this plugin, you can automatically add your YouTube channel video to your website. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss our new idea.